Hello, and welcome back to My Nutrition Buddy. I'm Larissa, and today we're diving into the world of natural remedies with a focus on Soursop leaf tea. This traditional herbal tea has been cherished for centuries, and today we'll explore its incredible benefits for the body, mind, and various organs. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what Soursop leaf tea is. Soursop, also known as Graviola or guanabana, is a tropical fruit native to the Caribbean and Central America. The leaves of the soursop tree have been used in traditional medicine for their potent health benefits. Making soursop leaf tea is simple and can be easily done at home. To prepare soursop leaf tea, follow these easy steps. Gather the ingredients. You'll need 15 fresh or dried soursop leaves and about 1 liter of water. Boil the water. Bring the water to a boil in a pot. Add the leaves. Once the water is boiling, add the soursop leaves. Simmer. Reduce the heat and let the leaves simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Strain and serve. Strain the tea into a cup and it's ready to drink. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor if you like. Enjoy your cup of soursop leaf tea while we delve into its remarkable benefits. Let's start with the benefits of soursop leaf tea for the body. Soursop leaf tea is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can enhance your overall health in several ways. Boosts immunity. Soursop leaves are rich in vitamin C, which helps strengthen the immune system, making it easier to fend off infections and illnesses. Anti-inflammatory properties. The tea contains anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, particularly beneficial for those with arthritis or muscle pain. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants in soursop leaf tea fight free radicals in the body, helping to prevent oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Now, let's explore how soursop leaf tea benefits the mind. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and this tea offers some surprising advantages. Reduces stress and anxiety. The calming properties of soursop leaf tea can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of relaxation and calm. Improves sleep quality. Drinking this tea before bed can enhance sleep quality due to its natural sedative effects, making it an excellent choice for those struggling with insomnia. Enhances mood. Regular consumption of soursop leaf tea can help improve mood and emotional well-being, thanks to its natural compounds that influence the serotonin receptors in the brain. Lastly, let's discuss how soursop leaf tea benefits various organs in the body. Each sip of this tea supports the health of several vital organs. Supports liver health. Soursop leaf tea aids in detoxifying the liver, helping it to function more efficiently and promoting overall liver health. Promotes heart health. The tea helps in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and improving circulation, which is beneficial for heart health. Aids digestion. Soursop leaf tea can soothe the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and help in the prevention of ulcers. It's also known to have anti-parasitic properties that can protect the gut from harmful organisms. Cancer. Prevention and treatment. Antioxidant properties. Soursop leaves contain high levels of antioxidants, which help to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This can reduce oxidative stress, which is linked to the development of cancer. Anti-cancer compounds. Research has identified compounds in soursop leaves, such as acetogenins, that have shown potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that these compounds can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colon cancers. Supporting evidence. While preliminary studies are promising, most of the research has been conducted in vitro, in test tubes, or in animal models. Clinical trials in humans are limited, so more research is needed to confirm these effects. There you have it, the amazing benefits of soursop leaf tea for the body, mind, and various organs. This natural remedy is not only easy to make, but also a powerful addition to your wellness routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and take care.